Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your video on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the clip or on the video, and then in here you just click on speed and click on normal. And in here you can set the duration. In here you can see 30 second to 10 second, or 30 second to 3.6 seconds, like this. And then after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that how to speed up your video on CapCut apps. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.